say you don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, Julia.
A bug cage.
A bug cage? What kind of bug?
It's not a bug cage.
A ladybug? Okay.
I think.
Okay.
I think
so. We're going to learn about the life cycle of the ladybug. Okay? So, I printed this out for us. Now listen, this is where it starts. Tiny yellow eggs are laid out on leaves. The eggs hatch in 3 to 7 days. Okay? Then the next stage is this stage, the larval stage. It's 2 to 4 weeks that they're like that. And then they go to the pupa stage, which is 5 to 7 days. And then after that, they become an adult ladybug. Okay?
Wow.
So can anybody tell me, when they were looking in here, what stage do you think this is? Ian? When you look in here, what stage is it on here, do you think? What do they look like?
The first.
Julia.
The second one.
The second one, this one? Yeah? Okay. That's called the larvae stage. Okay?
Larva stage?
What?
Okay. So I'm going to read you this book, and this teaches us about the ladybugs. Okay? This is called Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright by Mia Posada. What's up, Sophia?
Also, we have a I can't see. Also, we have paper in there.
Yeah, there's paper in there too. They can crawl on.
Excuse me?
Yes.
I don't want to read another book.
This is a cool book. Let's see. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers in pots. They are ladybugs.
This is a girl book, not a boy book.
It's not a girl book. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. See, she's got a little ladybug on her arm here.
Ladybugs.
They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. So they eat these tiny little aphids on the leaves.
Why?
Why? Because they're hungry. That's their food. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near. But eating a ladybug is a waste to birds. They have a terrible taste.
No, it's his food?
Yep, the bird's food. They like ladybugs, but ladybugs don't taste very good. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. So see?
Are those her babies?
That's her babies.
But what about why did they eat them?
Well, sometimes they do get eaten. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight.
When? Well, the dad's gonna get eaten.
Tiny creatures climb out from the creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long feet. They are called larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. So these little tiny bugs can eat 100 of these aphids a day.
Well,
That's a lot.
These get bigger then they can eat them.
I know. A larvae skin cannot stretch, and since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow.
Growing!
What else do we know that sheds its skin in order to grow?
It's growing.
I know. What, Ian? What other kind of insect does that? Do you know?
I know a snake.
A snake? Yeah, a snake sheds its
Snake.
skin too. What about a butterfly?
Yeah.
Butterflies do that too, right?
Also.
Its skin splits apart, the larvae lives free. It's a new, larger skin. It's more comfortable. When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it's attached itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time. The skin is outgrew. When it emerges, it has become something new. It's a pupa. The pupa is covered by a tough orange skin. It hides the change taking place within. Its worm-like body is rounding out. Its coat becomes smooth. Tiny wings sprout. In 5 days, the pupa's shells start to crack. crawls out with no spots on it.
The ladybug shower.
Soon black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns to red, fiery, and bright. The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass. Then it's able to fly.
Let's see how it flies.
So within a few hours, it's already able to fly. After that stage.
It flies!
Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings and waits.
I like those. It opens its body up and then it shows its
The
body.
new ladybug with red coat and black
Yes.
spots crawls through gardens and trees and flowers in pots.
There's he. Look.
Okay.
Beautiful. That's quick.
So we have these little. We have the eggs. Is this what stage is this? The eggs.
Elite.
Raise your hand. Do you remember? What stage is this? First, second, third, or fourth?
Little baby egg. Fourth.
The first stage, right? Okay. So which stage is this?
Number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, very good. How about this one?
Number 6.
Number 6. How about this one?
No, number 6.
Number 4. This is the last stage when they can fly around and everything. Okay? Very good. And then you can check these guys out in here as they get bigger. Okay?
Yeah, the two into. Ladybug.
They're